Hello everyone, it's 6th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have New York gets its first mayor elected of South Asian origin. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have stubble burning area in key Punjab district, 20% lower than last year. Reveals satellite data. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have 6 passengers killed while crossing track at UP station. Again, very important news for political governance perspective. Moving forward, we have 2 weeks on MCD is yet to hike parking fees under GRAP stage 2. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have concern over felling of trees for railway project in MP. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says in Brazil, COP30 and the movement of truth. Again, very important news. Then we have clean up the voter list urgently, but not the Bihar way. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have Congress overcome its weak link tag in Bihar polls. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have challenges facing the upcoming income survey. Again, very important for economy perspective. Then we have what constitutes as contempt of court in India. Very important for law perspective. Moving forward, we have Forgotten Men, the story of two peacemakers and their ideas of the world. Again, very important for history perspective, international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have SIR 2025, EC's transparency claim challenged in Supreme Court. Again, very important news for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Bihar's first phase today, crucial for big leaders and small parties and alliances. Again, very important news. Moving forward, we have police file case in Bilaspur train crash. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Democrats win major elections in early test of Trump's second term. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Army Chief Munir, most oppressive dictator in Pakistan history, says Imran. Then we have Ukrainian troops in these countries should surrender. Again, very important. Then we have Nepal's 10 left parties merged to form single party ahead of general elections. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.